Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To replace the tub nut in this Whirlpool top-load washer, you will need a 7/16" socket, a small flathead screwdriver, a tub nut wrench, and a mallet. Before you begin the procedure, unplug the appliance's power cord. Reach into the tub and use the small flathead screwdriver to help detach the wash plate cap. Now use the 7/16" socket to unthread the wash plate mounting screw. You will probably need to strike the ratchet handle to loosen the screw. With the screw unthreaded, you can remove the wash plate. Position the tub nut wrench on the tub nut and strike it with the mallet to loosen the nut by rotating it counterclockwise. You can now fully unthread the old nut. To install the new tub nut, thread it clockwise onto the motor shaft. Then tighten with the tub nut wrench and mallet. Realign the wash plate on the drive shaft, then thread and tighten the screw. Snap on the wash plate cap. Plug the appliance's power cord back in, and the washer should be ready for use.